All right, just going to plant some of these trees for Jason Hagan and Belinda Hagan down at MacGyver Farms. He's given me a quick call to ask me to just demonstrate the planting of the all-rounder and the 750mm rain catcher from Planting Systems, just so that he's got it clear in his mind what he's doing with the oaks and also having some success with the guards themselves. So we'll drill this hole out to 750. It's quite a large hole. Just packing it back in now just to get that soil down into the hole so it doesn't sink and slump later on. And what we're trying to do is get a nice dish. So between the top of the bottom of the hole here and here, we've got 75mm to about 100mm, so that gives us a nice dish with the rain catcher. We're just planting some small acacias here, so we won't be planting an oak, but it'll give you still the same idea. So we've already got good compost in the hole. We've already got the tree starter for it. Now just giving that a good dose of mycorrhizal fungi to get those trees a good symbiotic relationship with the fungi and give the tree the best possible chance to have that association. So tree in, just below the surface, packing around it, maintain that dish. So the rain catcher will go in, our wind's coming from this way, the back of the rain catcher mat goes to the rear of the hole. We're raking theirs to hold that in place. Get the rain catcher mat, sorry, the rain catcher stake. The point here of the guard goes directly towards the oncoming wind. 3 points down over the rain catcher to hold it down. Stake 1. Because these are a bigger guard, the second stake goes in to hold this in place. Now one thing to remember too with these rain catcher mats is making sure this has got a good bond. So all around the edges, just patting that down. That'll at least stop that evaporation of water coming out of the ground. And this mat's going to deliver 2 litres of water per 4 mils of rain, directly back to the tree. Give the tree 100% weed-free maintenance around the tree and stop any competition. Hope that helped, Jace. Give us a buzz if you need to know anything more.